Pound. To hit or strike something forcefully and repeatedly. My heart was pounding at the interview. We need to pound the garlic into a paste. Abduct. To force someone to go somewhere with you. The girl was abducted by kidnappers. The kidnapper abducted my sister from her school.
Whack. A single rapid movement from side to side. The dog wagged its tail and barked at me. His mother is wagging her finger at him in anger. Debris. Broken or torn pieces of something larger. After the earthquake, debris was scattered everywhere. We must clear the road debris before traffic can resume.
Peckish. Slightly hungry. I felt a bit peckish during my morning walk. You can enjoy 2 snacks if you still feel peckish. Dumpster. A very large container for rubbish. Put the trash in the dumpster. I'm going to take the trash to the dumpster. Solo. Done by one person alone. She traveled solo last summer. She is going to sing her first solo tomorrow. Neighbor. Someone who lives very close to you. Did you meet our new neighbors? I had a minor argument with my neighbor. Shack. A small shelter or dwelling. I saw a shack in the middle of the forest yesterday. They spent the night in a wooden shack on the beach. Vendor. A person or company offering something for sale. I saw an ice cream vendor on the beach. I bought these fruits from a street vendor. Burrow. A hole or tunnel dug by a small animal. There were a lot of burrows all over the yard. All the rabbits are running into their burrows. Mold. A type of fungus that grows on food or damp surfaces. He is spraying the mold on the wall with mold remover. There's mold on the bread, so we can't eat it. Heap. A collection of things thrown one on another. A large heap of garbage was left behind the house. There was a heap of dresses on the floor. In. A place to stay while you're on vacation or on the road. We are looking for an inn for 2 days. I must book a room at the inn for tonight. Sting. To wound or pierce with a sting. I was working in the garden when a wasp stung me. Keep your distance from that bee to avoid a sting. Vulgar. Something rude, offensive, or not polite, especially in the way someone talks or behaves. He used vulgar language toward me at school. I'm shocked by how many vulgar scenes are in that movie.